Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Nioh 3 game. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to disable or enable the Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Nioh 3 game and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and here first disable the Steam input and then restart the game because changing requires restart of the game. And after restarting the game, check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If your gamepad and controller is not working, then again go to the Nioh 3 game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game. And after restarting the game, check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then just restart your PC once and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and then check. And if still your problem is not solved, then as an alternative solution, you can download and install DS4 Windows software on your PC and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve gamepad or controller not working in Nioh 3 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.